I'm on the hunt for a vintage Chanel brooch. Crystal encrusted, the 2 C's. Wish me luck. I really hope I find it today. Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. I'm actually wearing the same thing that you saw me in at the end of last week's vlog because it's the same day. So if you can tell, I'm on the Brooklyn Bridge. And I'm headed to Brooklyn because Gizelle and I have a shoot with 9 West. Yeah. And we are doing a 9 West in partnership with Dress for Success campaign. It's something that Gizelle always has been really passionate about. I feel like she's done work with them before, but we're gonna have this like sit down interview, and then later on Gizelle and I are gonna actually go to a Dress for Success location and go to volunteer, and it's all sponsored by 9 West, who's basically facilitating all of this. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. We're in this apartment in Brooklyn where we're gonna sit down and film our interview. You ready, G?
Oh, I'm so ready. So excited.
Giselle and I just finished. Did you have fun?
I had so much fun. This is great. You just get to talk about why I love Mel the whole time.
I know! I learned so much.
I know. Mel loved when I talked about her fashion.
He died. Because Giselle's like the fashion designer. So I didn't even know what you thought of my fashion.
Yeah, I described it as perfection. And she was like, Grace Kelly. Muslim Grace Kelly.
I still can't when she says that.
Yeah, but she's all in ivory. It's like just furthered my point.
Well, Giselle is Elizabeth Taylor meets Marilyn Monroe meets Zsa Zsa Gabor.
Yeah, all of that.
This is the best. Honestly, I feel like they're gonna have a hard time topping this one.
Yeah.
Show us your 9 West shoes. Oh, those are so cute.
They're classic, but kind of mod.
Yes.
So they're like a take on the classic pump.
I love them.
And I like them because they kind of match your outfits. They tie my craziness to your all-white ensemble.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me see the toe.
The toe?
Yeah, oh, classic pointy toe. Okay, Alice is in heels apparently for the first time because what is this? She's walking like she's on stilts. They're chunk heels, it's not even stilettos. Are you truly having a hard time? Just wait until our bet is actualized. Just wait. Hey guys. So I am headed to Toronto and I'm actually, my throat is starting to hurt. Make drop for me if I get sick, I cannot. I've been on antibiotics twice in the last 2 months. So I have a feeling my immune is just shot and any little thing I can get sick. I'm going to Toronto to speak at the Tilbury Community Center's fundraising event. Toronto is the vintage capital of the world, in case you didn't know. And so I kind of like hit 2 birds with 1 stone and I got bags and bags and bags of vintage scarves for when we used to sell vintage hijabs. So I'm gonna do some vintage shopping and I can't wait. I can't wait. I already have a few things in mind that I really want to find. So anyways, I'm gonna get on the flight. Wish me luck. Look at this huge Ferrero Rocher. Look at this book they got me. I love this. Oh my gosh, it's the best. Oh my god, he is my favorite. I've literally read like all of his books. This is Saima. Hello. Saima's wearing our beautiful jersey. She's a square girl too. She introduced Sada to the brand, who you all probably know. She's with Zahra or Zara. which you all know, the fitness, obviously. She's wearing rose quartz, and Zara's in light mink. Yeah, that's light mink. Oh, it's so pretty. And then we have our incredible professor who teaches social media, and she uses us as a case study in her classes. So amazing. And this is Angie. Angie picks me up. She's awesome. She's been taking me around.
And I lost my car.
Yeah, it was a trek. It was an adventure. It was good. Angie's daughter. It's your line or your daughter's?
It's my daughter's,
But obviously she's helping. Called Lena's Hijabs.
Correct, yes.
That you run out of here, Mississauga, Toronto. Amazing. And is this one of your hijabs?
This is one of my hijabs.
Beautiful. I love this print.
Thank you.
It's gorgeous. Oh yeah. There's the
Yeah.
tag.
And it's about being like pre-sewn.
Oh, it's pre-sewn. That's amazing. Yay! Beautiful.
Hannah.
Hannah.
This is her painting. This is her actual painting.
Oh my goodness. That's amazing. Wow. Where can they find your hijabs?
Online, ninashijabs.com or Instagram, which is ninashijabs.
Awesome. All right, just got to the hotel. Oh wow, there's a full-on kitchen. Nice. Sweet. Oh my gosh, that's like all ice. Okay, so apparently for the silent auction for this event, we have 5 beauty hijabs that people bid on. Oh my god, look at the bid amounts, 250. Zena's gonna win. And you designed this whole thing. What's your name?
I'm Sumi.
Did you paint that?
I painted that.
Oh my gosh, Sumi. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh, what's going on here?
You love it?
Oh, wait, it's not focusing. Hold on. Wow, what is that? Oh, it's sewed into the hijab. Here we have Aya. This is Angie's daughter. Spin around. Don't you feel like a princess? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Where are the pockets? So pretty. Check it out. During the silent auction, I saw this and I'm in love with it, and I bid on it for our office because these are our office colors, black, white, and gold. And this is the ayah that says, "Verily, in the remembrance of God, do hearts find rest," which is one of my favorite ayahs, so I had to bid on it. So inshallah, I hope I was the winning bidder. Was I the winning bidder?
Yes, you are.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Morning, you guys. I headed to downtown Toronto the second I woke up, and the reason is because Toronto, in case you didn't know, is the vintage capital of the world. And so back when we used to carry vintage scarves as hijabs and I used to source them, I would come to Toronto because it was close to where I lived. Well, relatively, I could fly there, and that's where I would source all my vintage. Okay guys, this Chanel is like 90s vintage and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I found this amazing lantern jewel encrusted bow. I'll show it to you right now. I'm getting it. Score. Okay, this is it. It is a Lanvin Beauty. I love the size as well. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with it. It's so pretty. Look at our fit models. Mona and Emma. Oh my gosh. The two of you together too look amazing. I love it.
You really do. You guys should just wander around.
So we have another shoot. This time we're shooting our viscose and modal. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just trying on some modals. You know? We have our photo shoot coming up and preparing everything. So I like to wear everything we're shooting, just feel it out and remind myself why I love it.
What are our 3 styles?
Oh,
this is the first one.
This is called just like traditional. It's just a traditional, really nice hijab wrap. You can't go wrong. And then we have our crisscross, which is also just very effortless. It's like, oh. Love that. It's very old Hollywood.
I love that one.
I like that. And then our last one is basically a knot, little knot that we put behind us over here. And then we hide one of the legs like this. And then we bring one to the front like this. And it's like, yes.
Essentially what I have on.
Yeah, it's basically melted.
Oh my gosh, photo shoot is next week.
It is. It is.
Nuts. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we have to go because we actually have to plan a lot. I'm leaving San Diego in like 2 hours.
So much.
Okay, bye guys. Assalamu alaikum.